In this video, I'll talk about that how ServiceNow works. You probably heard about the ServiceNow and you don't know that how ServiceNow works. In this video, I'll talk about that how ServiceNow works. So to give you a demonstration, I have taken a request management. So what is request management? We'll talk about that a little bit later, but let's talk about a scenario. So let's say that a user who is called, this is the user, who is an end user, okay? And he recently joined a company called ABC company, IT company. So a user who recently joined a ABC company, IT company, and that user need a laptop. So for that, what he will do that he will get a URL from his team, IT team, and the IT team ask him to submit a request to get a laptop. Okay. So how this is going to be work in the service now? Let's see that one by one. So this is the user. If I see that this is my ServiceNow instance, and in this ServiceNow instance, you can see this is the exactly the same user who are going to be works. So first thing that the user is going to submit a request through this called employee center, go to the employee center, and then the user is going to be request for the laptop. There could be a scenario where the user directly get a hard coded link from where they can request that, or else maybe the user know that how to raise the request, or it was somewhere noted down that how to go and then submit the request. So right now user go this page. This is we call the portal page, where the user is like a interactive page where user can submit their request. So let's say that user go to the computer sections in these popular topics, and they know that they are looking for developer laptop, this specific item. So they go there, this item. So this is the form how it looks like that. This form is designed and it can be customizable for the end user. They can select that what all software they needed. So for example, they selected these are the software needed, and then they can just click that order now. Okay, and they can put additional requirement if they have, and then they can click the order now. So once they click the order now, they will get a email confirmations like let's say that the user click that submit button. What will be happen? The user will get an email confirmation like how many days they are going to be get this laptop, what are the things through the email communication, and then backend team is going to be work for them to complete this process. So once the order has been placed, the backend team will work like that. So they get a email confirmation. So let's say that I'm going to search with this request number. So we'll place this request number and then open that. So if you recall that the user, they placed a order for a laptop, right? And that have a certain price. So if the price, the out of box behavior is that the price is greater than $1,000, it will generate a approval. As you can see that it generate a approvals here. So that approval has to be verify that this is a genuine reason they are looking for a laptop. So so this person is going to be approved that. For example, this person just approve. So they just click that, right click, and then approve that. Once that approve is done, what will be happen? The backend team will be able to work for the specific item. So in that request, there will be a RITM. So high level in that RITM, what is the request and what is the RITM? Request is like a your if you go by a shopping site like Flipkart, Amazon, you have once you added multiple item in your cart and then submit a order place, it's generate a order number. The order number itself is a request, and each number, if there is any specific number, that is we call the RITM number. So here you can see that the user generate a request for laptops with these other software, and then this software are to do that completion of this process, they have two tasks. So as you can see in the flow, what he have done, like they submit for a laptop. Once the laptop submission is done, there will be two things needs to be done. One is the hardware team needs to be arranged for them laptop. So the hardware team will work there. Once the hardware team is completed their task, the software team is going to be work for the software installation that is mentioned in their here. These are the software he needed. So let's assume that the hardware task that is assigned to help desk team. So they get a inventory system, they get these all these they arrange their laptop, and then they will complete that mentioning that laptop is arranged. So let's say that laptop is arranged. They mention and then they completed that. Once this laptop is arranged, then the another team, they can go for the software processing, like software installation. So what will happens, like this a network team, they are going to be install all this software. They can go and then verify whatever software is needed in this RITM. So they verify that and they can mention that all software installed. And then once that is done, it can go by this process, like delivery process. The laptop can be sent to that particular user. There are two tasks, hardware and software. This task is done and the laptop is delivered to that actual end user. So let's assume that the user received the laptop in his home, but he is unable to log in that laptop. How the ServiceNow can help them? So in the ServiceNow, you can go back to that page, home page here, the portal page. You have a see that called Get Help. There you can click there, and then you can request password request, or there will be a mobile number visible on that pages. There you can directly call and that can help that. So you can go and then click this request password reset. It will land to the specific item. You can select that which item you want to reset. Let's say that you selected that specific item called laptop. How you want to get the new password, you can select that email, SMS, or telephone, and then click submit. The new password will be delivered to you. So this is how ServiceNow helps that user to resolve their issues.